Hi friends, today I am going to show you the recipe for the Mangalorean traditional breakfast Menthe Ganji, that is Fenugreek rice porridge. To prepare Menthe Ganji, I am using 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. In a vessel I have taken 4 glasses of water to which I have added the cleaned fenugreek seeds and then soaked it overnight, that is for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, to the soaked water and fenugreek seeds, I have added 4 more glasses of water and kept it for heating. I am using 1.5 glass of dosa rice which I have cleaned and added it along with the fenugreek seeds for boiling. Let this cook until then we can prepare the coconut milk. For that I am using 1 grated coconut to which I am adding half glass of water, mixing it, strained it and extracted the thick coconut milk. This I am keeping in a separate vessel. From the remaining coconut grates, I am again adding a little water and extracting the thin coconut milk and I have kept it aside. Now the rice is cooked. To this let's add the thick coconut milk, quarter kg of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of salt. Jaggery and salt can be adjusted based on the taste. Now let this boil. If you feel that the porridge is a little more thick, then you can add the extracted thin coconut milk to this. I have added about quarter glass of the thin coconut milk. This gets a little thicker as it cools. The menthe ganji has come to a boil. It tastes amazing when eaten with a little bit of ghee. The tasty menthe ganji is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Home Kitchen. Bye.